Children, now, hello children, now first class mathematics, 12th chapter. What is our 12th chapter? Introduction of tens from 10 to 100. Introduction of tens from 10 to 100. Count in tens, write the numbers in the boxes. Count in tens, write the numbers in the boxes. See children, here this box 10. So see here this 10. Here 10 means 10 spelling 110 equals to 10. So 10 spelling TEN 10. Again 2 tens are there here, 2 tens. So 110 plus again 110. 10 plus 10, how much? Here how many tens having? 2 tens. 2 tens. 2 tens equals to 20. So, children say 20 spelling. TWENTY 20. 20 spelling. TWENTY 20. Say again. TWENTY 20. Next see children, here already 20 will came, 20 plus 10. So how many tens having here? 1, 2, 3. How many tens are there now? 3 tens. So here write 3 tens. 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. 3 tens means 30. 3 tens means how much children? 30. So 30 spelling say THIRTY 30. 30 spelling say children THIRTY 30. Here write 30. Okay? 30. Next one. Here 30 plus 10. 30 plus 10. So here 30 plus 10. How many tens having? Count children. How many tens are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many tens having? 4 tens. How many tens having in this box too? 4 tens. 4 tens equals to how much? 40. 4 tens equals to how much? 40. Say 40 spelling. FORTY 40. FORTY 40. Say children 40 spelling. FORTY 40. Next one. Here 40 having. So 40 plus 10. 40 plus 10. Here how many tens having? 4 tens. How many tens are there? 4 tens. Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens plus 1 10. So how many tens having total? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. 5 tens means how much? 50. 50. 50 spelling? FIFTY 50. 50 spelling say children? FIFTY 50. FIFTY 50. Next one. In this 50 only, here only came 50 plus 10. Again 50 plus 10. So here how many tens having in this box too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. Say 60 spelling children. SIXTY 60. 60 spelling. SIXTY 60. Okay children, are you understand? Next one. Here already gave 60 Then add 10. So this is the 10 sticks are there. One group to 10 sticks. 60 plus 10. How much? 60 plus 10. So how many tens total? 6 plus 1. 7 tens. 7 tens means 70. Say 70 spelling. SEVENTY 70. Number 7070. Are you understand, children? SEVENTY 70. 70 spelling say SEVENTY 70. Next one 70 plus 10. Here how many tens? 7. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. Say 80 spelling. EIGSTY 80. EIGSTY 80. So here write 80. Are you understand, children? 80. Next one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 80 plus 10. 80 plus 10. Total how many tens having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens having. How many tens having? 9 tens. 9 tens means 90. Say 90 spelling. NINETY 90. 90 spelling. NINETY 90. Next one. There 90 plus 10. So how many tens having in this box too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens. 10 tens means 100. 10 tens means 100. 100 spelling. HUNDRED 100. HUNDRED 100. Okay, say spelling, children. 100 spelling. HUNDRED 100. See, children, here again 1 10. 10. Say 10 spelling. TEN 10. TWENTY 20. THIRTY 30. Numbers also you see, children. FORTY 40. FIFTY 50. SIXTY 60. SEVENTY 70. EIGSTY 80. NINETY 90. HUNDRED 100. HUNDRED 100. So again TEN 10. TWENTY 20. THIRTY 30. FORTY 40. FIFTY 50. SIXTY 60. SEVENTY 70. EIGSTY 80. NINETY 90. HUNDRED 100. Are you understand, children? Now next page. Page number 94. Their exercise problems are there. See, children. Count the tens in the following 3 boxes. Tick right mark the box which is different. Which is different, you keep right tick. Here see, children. 3 tens in beads also. 1, 2 in one chain to 10 beads having. Count, children, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here also 3 chains means 10, 20, 30. Here 10, 20, 30. Here 30, here 30. Here 30, here 30. Here In one box 2, how many dots having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in each one box 2, 10. So here how many boxes having? 10, 20, 30, 40. Here 40. Which one is different? This one is different. So here keeping right tick. Are you understand, children? Next now. Here. How many tens? How many sticks having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bundles are there. So, 1 bundle means 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here, 50. Here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Why I am counting 10, 10? In each chain to 10 beads having. So, how many beads having in this? Chains too. How many chains having here? 6 chains. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here 60. Here in each box to 10, 10 only having dots. So how many having here boxes? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here also 60. See children, here in the second boxes too, which one is different? 60, 60 having here 50. So you keep right tick in this box too. Are you understand? Okay, now next one. See here, third one. So how many stick bundles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 bundles are there. So here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Which one is different, children? In these two, 70, 50, 70. Which one is different? This 50 is different. You keep right tick here. Are you understand? Next one. Here. How many sticks having here in this last box too? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in each one bundle to how many sticks having? 10. So you count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 only. So 10, 20, 30, 40. 40. Here 40 sticks having. Here how many beads having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in each chain to 10. So how many chains having? 3 chains. 10, 20, 30. 30. Here in each box to 10 dots having. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in each box to 10 dots are there. So how many boxes are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. So 4 tens means 40. Which one is different? This one is different. You keep right tick, children. Okay, are you understand, children? You complete it? Okay.